Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 15.1. Okay, introduction to the graphs. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. What was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? We have to find out what was the temperature at 1 p.m. So here the time is given in the x-axis 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 noon, 1 p.m. and the temperature is given on the y-axis. Okay, 34, 35. So at 1 p.m. we can find it by the point which is at 1 p.m. on the x-axis, and the temperature is between 36 and 37, that is the 36.5 degree Celsius. Okay, now what was the patient's temperature? 38. What was the time? Time is the at 38.5 is the time at 38.5 is, we can find it from the graph, the point where the x and y axis points are meet at 12 noon. Okay, so 12 noon is 38.5, and temperature, where the patient's temperature was the same two times during the given period. What were these two times? The two times are 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. 2 p.m. where the temperatures of the patients remain the same. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? At 1:30, you can see here from the x-axis, at 1:30 the temperature is same as 36.5. Okay, during which periods did the patient's temperature shown an upward trend? So from, it shows the upward trend starting from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. it shows an upward trend. So this is the study of the graph. You can see from the graph and give the different answers. Okay. So upward trends are 9 a.m. to 10 also. The increasing graph shows the upward trend 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, then again 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Three upward trends are there. Okay. Following line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. What were the sales in 2002 and 2006? What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? Compute the difference between the sales, and which year greatest difference between the sale. So we have to find out the different sales. In 2002 the sales were in rupees crore. 2002 it is 4 crore, and 2003 it is 7 crore, 2004 it is 6 crore, 2005 it is 10 crores, and 2006 it is 8 crores. Okay, so we have to take it from the graph and make the difference wherever required and give the answers of the questions by the graph. Okay, for an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. Okay, the results are shown by the following graph. How high was plant A after 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Okay, so we will see it from the graph. 2 weeks and 3 weeks, the plant will grow in the inches. So after start the 1 week, okay, the plant is at the 1 inch height, and plant A is at 1 inch and plant B is at 2 inch, and after the second week plant A and B both are at 7 inches. Okay, and at the 3 weeks time, plant A and plant B are at 9 and 10 inches respectively. Okay, so we can calculate it during the growth by seeing the graph. Okay, growth of plant, we will subtract the previous value from the next value. Okay, so second week growth is 7 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. Third week's growth is 10 centimeter minus 10 7 centimeter is 3 centimeter. Okay, so therefore the plant B grew at least 1 centimeter during the 1 week, and at the end of second week the heights of both plants were same. Question 4. The following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature for each day of a week. Which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast? So we'll find it by the forecast and actual graph. Okay, temperature forecast and actual temperature. Okay, so dotted line shows the forecast and straight line shows the actual temperature. Forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature on Tuesday. Okay, when the values are both same at Tuesday and Friday and Sunday. Okay, maximum forecast temperature during the week is maximum is 35. Okay, and minimum is the 15. Actual temperature differs most from the forecast temperature on Thursday. So Thursday there is a maximum difference. Okay, number of days hilly side received snow in different years. So in 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, the years are given and days are given. Okay, so here, and the B part it has populations. So we have to take the years on x-axis and number of days on y-axis, taking the scale as 1 unit is equal to 2 days. These all graphs are made on graph papers and should be pasted on your notebooks. Okay, so take the graph paper and then plot these graphs of all these 15 chapter graph questions. The graph will be made on the graph paper. Okay, so you have to take the scale. 1 unit is equal to 2 days and y-axis 2 unit is equal to 1 year. So here we will find the number of days and here the number of years. Okay, so 2 unit is 1 year. 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006 we can see the different values. Okay, and meet them 8, 10, 5 and 12. By taking the years on x-axis and population on y-axis, okay, 1 unit is equal to 0.5 and 2 unit is equal to 1 year on x-axis. So the next graph is also in the same way. Courier person cycles from a town to a neighboring suburban area to deliver a parcel to a person. His distance from the town at different times is shown. What is the scale taken for the time axis? So you can see here the scale on the y-axis is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and on the x-axis it is 1 hour's time. 1 hour is equal to 4 unit, and here y-axis 1 unit is equal to 2 kilometer, and here 4 unit is equal to 1 hour. Okay, so 4 units is equal to 1 hour, and here the person traveled during the time 8 am is equal to at 11:30. You can give the answer to the different questions. Can there be a time temperature graph as follows? Just your answer, justify your answer. Okay, so this can be a time temperature graph if the temperature can increase with the increase in time. Okay, this can be temperature can decrease with the decrease in time, and third one shows that temperatures at the same time are not possible. Okay, so this cannot be a time, only the third one is not possible. Left 3 can be possible. This can be a time temperature graph. Okay, in this way you have to complete the exercise 15.1, and remember all of your graph questions should be made on graph paper with pencil. Okay, not with pen. You have to take the proper scale, make the graphs. All the graphs should be placed on your notebook. Okay, and you have to complete this exercise 15.1. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.